Hello guys, it's me, Siamana here, back to my channel. Today we are going to show you about my car, the WN1166, which is the car that I honestly do much love, and show you the car. See that? As much as the car. See that? So much cool like a car. Don't see it? See that? Oh my gosh. Like, I never had a car before. This is 15,000 rupees because I'm in India. And look at tire, sheesh, is pulling up. See that? The back wheel, see that? The back wheel. And if you don't know, there's, see that? See that? This is the steering wheel. Well, this car sounds like a Lamborghini. It sounds like a Lamborghini. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you. That's it. That's what happens if you don't believe me. Man, look at the lights. Lights are the best in this car. See that? The back is like a G-Wagon. See that? That's so cool. And it's the steering wheel. And if you don't know about these buttons here, this thing is a front button,
forward,
back button,
back off,
and make sound.
back off,
There's a like button, and this thing is called swing.
back off, swing,
The car sits on, but I'm not touching anything. It's like first time only driving a car, like I love it. It was like I brought this in June, but I don't know the current date. And this is ouch. Ouch. That's so cool. Really, I don't know what to rate this car. Just like the Thor. I don't know what is the car called Thor. I never checked that before. And it's been like this is now September. April, May, June, July, August, September. It's been 5 months before I bought this car. It's been only 5 months. So make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video to someone else if you love it, and comment down below if you like this video. Was a complete idea yesterday. I thought it would be so cool if I record this right tomorrow. I shouldn't forget that. Well, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Share this video to someone else if you love someone that's, show them this car is W1166. You can buy it on Amazon. I brought this in Toy Kingdom, which is only 15,000 rupees. And in Amazon is 23,000 rupees. So much. But I want to say that I'm gonna one day give away I'm gonna give away some things to someone. If I reach if I reach 50 subs until if I reach 50 subs until if I reach 50 subs in next month, which is the current day, October next month, I'm going to give away and free money to someone if I get 50 subs. And thank you guys for 43 subs. Today we hit 43 subs. Let's go. I'm thanking you all who support me. That I'm going to be giving away to someone who likes and subscribe. And in October, if I reach 50 subs, man, I'm gonna give away too. So like and subscribe. Until today, October, I'm gonna give away iPhones. Just please don't. If you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Just subscribe. Be the part of the CMR. Be the part of CMR family. Be the part of CMR family. Is going to be fans, CMR fans. I love you. I'm gonna make this channel more views, and if you like this video, like and subscribe. And I'm CMR. I'm out. Peace.